Chihuahua. And we're gonna start with his head right about there. There we go, that'll be the top of his head. And he's got some pretty crazy eyes, he does. So we'll draw one eye right about there like that. And then his other eyes almost coming right off his face. Just like that. And then he's got some pretty crazy pupils, one like that. And the other one all squirrely like that. And then we can make his eyes all cockamamie like this. There we go. That's the beginning of Ren. We'll give him some eyebrows, one there, the other one off his head, which is kind of funny, but it's nice. And then we're gonna bring his cheek down like that, which will turn into his lip, right about there. And then it'll come all the way around like this to a big old smile. Give him a cheek like that. And then we'll bring this mouth down here like that. And we'll straight line like that, right about there for the bottom of his mouth. There we go, this is looking nice. Now let's not forget his teeth. They're gonna come in like that, right at the bottom there. And that we can do that with the bottom here. We'll give him a couple of teeth here, just like this. Same over here. This is looking nice. And now let's give him a tongue right about here. Nice old tongue, and we'll join his mouth up like that. Now let's not forget his nose. It's a big old pig-looking nose, almost like this. There we go. Rather funny, but it works for Ren and Stimpy. So here we go. Let's make his body now. We'll bring that on down like this. And we'll bring the other part of his body down like this. Give him a bit of a hip, like that. Maybe we'll bring his legs out like this. And one there, the other one over here. Knees, right down there. And now we can draw his feet. Big old long feet like this. 1, 2, and 3 for his toes. Coming on back like that. Up and around we go. And now we can repeat that on the other side for this foot. Big old toes coming like that. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Very good. And we'll bring on that down like that for his heel. And then on back up. Now we can join these up like this. And a bit of a tummy. There we go, looking nice. Give him a bit of a chest. Alrighty. Now we can make his arms. One right about here. 1, 2. His thumb right here. There we go. And now we can draw his fingers. 1, 2, and 3. Looking nice. And a little palm right about there. This is looking good. And now we can do the same on the other side. Arm coming down. 1 and 2. Just like that. And now we can do his thumb. And now his hands. 1, 2, and 3 for his fingers. Join them all up and give him a palm. Lovely. Now we'll finish the back of his head. Little neck bit there. Bring it on up like this. Right to the top of his cheek mouth, right about there. And now we can draw his ears. He's got funny old ears. So they come up like this. And over there. And then we'll join them on up like this. Right about there. Looking good. Continue that one up. Just like that. And this will be the inside. Join it. Right. Looking good. And now the other ear. Just behind that ear like this. And there. Alrighty. And we'll give him some little bit of hair sticking up. 1, 2, 3. And Look everybody, it's Ren from Ren and Stimpy. And now we can do his tail. Right about here. Right behind his hand. Coming up like that. And a little mark for his tail. Okay everybody, looking good. Let's get to the color. First we've got brown for his skin and fur. Pink for the inside of his ears, tongue, and eyes, and a darker pink for his nose. Thanks, everyone.